Alright guys, here's the Santa Fe Bicentennial Athearn SD45-2. Just a quick little demonstration that its many features even for DC users like myself. Number one, got a nice bell. Alright, horn of course. Turn the headlight on and off at your will. Even complete with a flashing set of strobes atop the cab. Pretty nice indeed again for the price. Great paint scheme. Of course, great railroad in Santa Fe. And of course, can't beat the classic EMD sounds. Showcased so well in these Athearn Genesis EMD engines being produced today. Very fine quality, fantastic engine for the price. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.